Hey guys, I recently bought Costco lights for outdoor, and I'm making this video to show you how to install these lights. And I'm a first time installer as well, so I decided to make a video. So if you are new and want to see how it's done, this is a video for you. So stay tuned. Here just putting all the parts together, and you can do the same step if you have the same lights. It should be similar for every light, I believe. Tools for this job, you need these 5 things. You want to turn off the light on the breaker panel, whichever it belongs to for outdoor, so make sure you turn it off. And turn off your switch for outdoor. Alright, so I opened the existing light fixture, and I'm just taking off everything here. So just remember how ground is connected, and you want to do the same thing when you connect the wires at the end. White to white, black to black, and ground. So I have this voltage tester to check the wire if they're hot or not, so I'm going to make sure before I touch them. Now I took off all the connections, and to show you a few things here. This is where my problem was in whole process. The obstructions you see, the blue thing inside was touching the screw number 2 with the new plates. I just want to make sure if you have this issue where your new screw are touching the blue plate inside, I'll show you how to take care of it. But if you can get away with using your old plates, do not use the new plates, I suggest, because it requires some work. This issue I have because I have a brick for my house. You have maybe vinyls, so just be careful before you start doing all this work. Just make sure that you don't have to do this work, and if you do have to, just follow the video. Alright, so as you see, this is the actual screw number 2, and this is what I did. I worked out. I removed the little bit of head. I shaped the head using grinder. You have 2 options: either remove the head like completely, or you can shave as I did using grinder. So use either option: remove the head, or use the grinder to shave the head as I did. So I'll show you how I did it. And just be careful. Use protective glasses and gloves, and just make sure you don't touch the grinder. Yep, and that's how you do it. It's not bad if you have used grinder before, and you can just cut the head if you want to, as I said, like if that eliminates the problem completely. That's an easier way to go than shaving the head. Here I'm trying to put everything back together with new plates. As you see, my new plates, as I showed you, my center is different than the old plates, so I had to use my new plates, and I had to work with my number 2 screw, and yeah, from here now on, all you have to do is connect the wires. Yeah, just then level the plates make sure you connect your copper wire to the plate as I'm doing right now. That's very important. You need a second person, maybe. Uh, for me, I had to call my wife, and sorry for the video moving up and down because she's not good with camera, and she was trying to help me. So again, sorry for that. So level the plates as I showed you, so it comes center when you put the whole thing. And now you will be connecting all the wires, black to black, white to white, and copper to copper. It's very simple. When you connect each wire, make sure you kind of, make sure you shake them, they don't just come out. You want to make sure they are very, like, they're screwed in properly with the connectors. And I use electrical tape, the black tape, electrical tape. I do it just to make sure they don't get loose over time. So someone told me it's good to do it. I don't know, I'm not an expert. As I said, I'm doing it first time, and I'm just trying to help everyone. If you have any comments on that, you can write in the comment section. And that's pretty much it. I mean, I'll put all the connection one by one. You can skip this part if you already know all this thing. And then you just screw them in. Make sure you tuck all the wires in properly, as I did right here. It'll be faster for your second light. But anyway, thanks for watching, and this is what they look like at night. And they come on automatically at evening. So thanks.